So here's my custom built racing motion simulator. Built over the last few days. 100% do it yourself. 2 degrees of freedom. Pitch and roll. Got it hooked up with the virtual reality goggles. HTC Vive. Custom DIY internals I built by hand. I don't want you engineers to see inside of there because you're gonna say it's not safe. I don't care. Using dump truck tarp motors mounted at the front. Then a unit joint, I think off like a 96 Accord or something like that. Y'all can see it's about to come into a braking zone. Here we go. Brake. Bring it into the curve. There you go. Don't get nervous, you're on video. You're gonna cook it, you're gonna cook it, you're gonna cook it. Good stuff. Racing on project cars too. Good brake. Swing you into the corner. It's 1-to-1 response. You'll see next time we go to. When he goes into the braking, you can tell he comes back on the straight. To the braking zone, you can see it dive. Nice bump. When he gets back on the gas, it'll go back up. There you go. Alright, man. That's what's up.
Did I beat it?
I don't know.